Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix not power off problem in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing this kind of issue, you are pressing this power button and it is showing Google Gemini or Google Assistant, how you can fix that and how you can restart and shut down your smartphone. So firstly friends, it is on the settings. So first you have to first you have to open your settings. So here it is the settings showing. You have to just simply tap on these settings right here in the search, and here you have to write first power. So here it is showing the how to power off your phone. So here it will show you to double press to activate camera. You can just simply turn it off, and here it is long press for Google Assistant. You have to tap on here and turn off this by clicking on power off menu. So when you just enable this and just click on this power button, it will show the power menu and Google Assistant will be disabled. So now you can just simply power off, restart, emergency call and medical info from here. Just you have to tap in and this will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.